Hazur, these questions are sent from Holland, and what will be the future for people on this earth according to your religion?
It does not matter what I believe. The question should have been according to the Holy Quran. So whether I believe or not is immaterial. I know positively that according to the Holy Quran, this universe is not eternal. Ever since we can think of, ever since the creation of this universe, things have been happening which are gradually carrying to its final termination. These things which I am referring to are very profound scientific observations. I have discussed them in detail in my book recently published. So any scientist can understand from that this universe is finite. Whether they believe in God or do not believe in God, they have to believe that this universe is finite. What will happen to this universe? According to the Holy Quran, that will happen to the universe which happened earlier, when long before its creation it was already in existence, until it was sunk into a black hole and was completely finished by God. The Holy Quran says, like we are going to destroy this universe, most certainly, it is binding on us that we will recreate it. So this destruction of universe and recreation of the universe is a constant phenomenon. It can never end. So I have given the reference to the verses in this book. So I do not want to go into detailed discussion, otherwise I might have quoted the verses and drawn the inference again from them.